Here we go. It's my the two baffles at the back are from the pipes that I've got on my Bitzer bike. You can see, like, although they've got a lot of perforations in them, the outlet hole is pretty big. So I'm going to replace them with these ones. So you've got less of a, should be less noisy, hopefully. And I've got some glass fibre to go around them as well, so we can we'll strap these up, put a bit of glass fibre around them and then chuck them in there, and hopefully that'll quiet them down a bit. So it's good as well. You've got to have a straight through hole there where you can put a plug in it. So I'm going to keep them plugged up for the moment. And what we do is just see how it goes. See how it goes like that. And then so the exhaust is just going out these holes and out that hole with a bit of shit wrapped around it. And just put it on. Try and line these holes up somehow. Is the switch that I was telling you about the other day. So on the if you're looking from down the top, when it's on the right hand side, that's the right hand set of points. That's off, so there's no sets of points, and the left set of points. So it's the points selector switch. That's about it, really. It's just about as good as done now, I think. Apart from the, I've got in there actually, I've got a seat lock to put on, and that's the final bit. And that's it. I'll take a few bits off and paint them, put them back on again. I was thinking of the paint job on the tank. It's a little bit like the Triumphs, where they have the of the cream at the bottom and the colour at the top, and have the cream part, a centre line, and then down and along kind of thing, with a couple of stick-on knee pads to go on it to give it a bit more sort of like a Brit look, I suppose. But that's going to be a summer job for when it's warm enough to spray. These are the plugs that come out when I before I done the baffles in the exhaust. And they look a bit too light, a bit too on the white side to me. So hopefully with the baffles put in exhaust, there'd be a little bit more back pressure, and it maybe might not run so lean. Yeah, so it's got the right plugs in it now anyway, so maybe it's because the plugs were different grade, but I wouldn't have thought they'd make that much difference, one grade. So they're the plugs before, and we'll have a look at the plugs after when I go around the block, and we're next time that I do a video, or I'll have the other set of plugs with these ones to compare them. Quite chuffed with that, to be honest. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.